Welcome to Public Wire, your #1 source for small cap market news. Barrian Mining Corp, OTCQB, BARRF, is pleased to announce that it has obtained DTC eligibility by the Depository Trust Company, DTC, for transfer of its common shares in the United States. DTC is a subsidiary of the Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation, which manages electronic clearing and settlement of publicly traded companies. McWidener Sally, CEO and founder, comments, "We are very pleased to have obtained DTC eligibility, which allows our U.S. investor base to participate in the growth of our U.S. assets. Companies that don't have DTC eligibility are often not traded at many brokerages because of the amount of paperwork and people required to execute and settle trades." Investview Corporation, OTCQB, INVU, announced Jayme McWidener as their new Chief Financial Officer. Through her firm MAC Accounting, McWidener has played a pivotal role in helping the company through the last 10 quarters and 2 annual audits. William Kossoff, former CFO, will become Investview's new corporate secretary, which will expand the senior management team. Annette Rayner, Investview CEO, said, "We are extremely excited that Jayme accepted our offer to join the corporate management team. She is aware of our highest priority of achieving profitability, and as a CFO, she will be able to assist and guide us in reaching this objective." On Tuesday, the FDA's Allergenic Products Advisory Committee is scheduled to discuss and make recommendations on the safety and efficacy of Aimmune Therapeutics Inc, NASDAQ AIMT's Allergen Powder. Powder is used to reduce the risk of anaphylaxis after accidental exposure to peanuts in patients ages 4 to 17 with a confirmed peanut allergy. Xeris Pharmaceuticals Inc, NASDAQ XERS, is waiting for the FDA verdict on its NDA for Gvoke, a ready-to-use glucagon injection for treating severe hypoglycemia. The decision date is set for Tuesday. Ardelyx Inc, NASDAQ ARDX, is awaiting the FDA decision on their NDA for Tenapanor in treating irritable bowel syndrome with constipation. The decision date is set for Thursday. BioRestorative Therapies Inc, OTC BRTX, a company focused on stem cell-based therapies, announced that it will expand its off-the-shelf brown fat derived stem cell therapeutic pipeline to target polycystic ovarian syndrome. With up to 5 million patients in the U.S., PCOS is the most common reproductive endocrine disease and can often cause infertility. PCOS is difficult to manage, may be ineffective in addressing long-term risks such as type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular disease. BioRestorative have confidence that its platform technology using brown adipose or fat-derived stem cells will become a therapy for PCOS. Interscope Hearing Technologies Inc, OTCQB INND, a manufacturer and direct-to-consumer DTC distributor of hearing aids, sound amplifiers, hearing-related treatment therapies, doctor-formulated dietary hearing supplements, and proprietary CBD oil, has signed agreements with Bonham Health LLC to distribute its automated and unattended hearing screening retail kiosks and its affordable hearing products to 200 Benzer Pharmacy locations. This agreement gives Interscope a significant increase in market share by having 200 new distribution locations for its hearing products. It also gives them a new in-store revenue model that can be effectively duplicated in the future. Interscope's hearing kiosks are able to give the public free and easy access to a 2-minute hearing screening test, as well as bringing awareness to the multiple issues caused by living with untreated hearing loss. More importantly, the function of the hearing kiosks is to help the consumer to solve their hearing issues today by choosing from Interscope's affordable products at the store. Grapefruit Boulevard Investments Inc. is a Los Angeles-based cannabis and CBD company. OTCQB IGNG has been granted a license by the state of California to both manufacture and distribute cannabis products in the state. They announced that Justin Costello, CEO of GRN Funds in Seattle, accepted the appointment as Grapefruit's newest non-director corporate advisor and member of its advisory board. His initial phase will be 1 year and shall automatically renew for successive 6-month periods, which are subject to the mutual agreement of both parties. Costello has agreed to advise on a broad range of matters, from capital to mergers and acquisitions. Costello is considered to be one of the leading innovators of the legal cannabis and CBD industry in the U.S. In 2014, he established GRN Funds, an investment firm based in Seattle, Washington, where Costello is the CEO and chairman. GRN Funds provides banking resources to small and medium-sized businesses. In consideration of accepting his appointment, Costello will be paid a quarterly compensation and has been issued 4.5 million restricted shares of the Grapefruit's common stock. Thanks for joining us for another weekly roundup of OTC market news. Be sure to check out publicwire.com and subscribe to our blog with all the newest OTC news and announcements. I'm your host, Duke Hillinger. See you next week.